Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the water hose. This one that you see right here, not this one is the replacement, sorry. This one that you see right here, as you can see, this one has a little hole in there that was just spraying all over the place whenever you activated the water pump. And the water pump needed to be replaced as well. This water pump is from 2009. So we replaced the water pump, we replaced the hose that was leaking and it was really making a big mess. This machine still needs a tune-up, so I would recommend to do the descaling cycles, cleaning cycles, remove the infuser, deep clean everything in here, deep clean the spouts, that kind of stuff. So in the meantime, we just replaced the water pump and this hose. That's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the steam and the hot water. Infusion. As you can see, one spout is closed, so it definitely needs to be serviced. The whole assembly can be disassembled, it can be deep clean, and that will fix the issue with one spout not coming out, not coming on one other side. As you can see, we got 3 ounces. Excellent color. It was an excellent flow as well. We're gonna test the steam now, as I forgot to put the hot water first. As you can see, now the machine is starting to build up pressure. It's working perfectly fine, having good pressure coming out of the steam one. Really good temperature as well. Working great. Let's leave the machine to cool down a bit, because if we use the cold regular water right now, it's just gonna spray all over the place because it's still very hot. Sorry, that's still steam, hot water. As you know, the thermal block is still hot, so it's going to spray a little bit. But once the thermal block gets to temperature, we're going to see a nice, beautiful spray coming out of the machine. As you can see right there, it's a nice, steady stream of hot water coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, really good pressure, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Gaggia Titanium working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.